Now this, America First Legal accusing states of launching frivolous lawsuits against the administration. They're calling on Congress to investigate frivolous lawsuits. America First Legal President is Gene Hamilton. He joins me now. All right, Gene, give us an example of these frivolous lawsuits.
Look, there are so many examples to list, but let's just do one. The state of California sued the Trump administration and said that the Department of Health and Human Services sharing Medicaid data with DHS to ensure that illegal aliens were not receiving Medicaid data somehow harmed the state of California. There's a state of Massachusetts that sued to say that restricting transgender surgeries for minors using federal funds somehow harmed the state of Massachusetts. There are so many more examples that we could list, but what's underlying all of these cases is the fact that they don't actually have any proof that the state is actually incurring any harm.
And I take it most of these frivolous lawsuits are popping up in blue states.
That's right. They're popping up in blue states because I think a lot of the blue state leaders think that federal courts are theaters, that they're theaters for theater kids to put on plays about their policy disputes with the administration. That is not what federal courts are for. We all know, your viewers at home all know, if you have a business, if you're running a business and someone sues you and they've never interacted with your business, they're not harmed by anything. They don't have a right to bring a case against your business in federal court. The federal government is no different when it comes to these blue states.
That's good. Now, the chair of the House Judiciary Committee is Jim Jordan. What do you want him to do?
Look, the House Judiciary Committee, of course, is in charge of the federal court system, along with the Senate Judiciary Committee. They adjudicate, they can pass new legislation that governs the way that the federal courts operate, what's required to be presented, to be able to get into federal court. They could hold hearings. They could do any number of things to help highlight and expose all of the rot that's here, because this is tying the hands of people in the administration, in the Trump administration. Instead of doing positive things, they're having to fend off these ridiculous lawfare lawsuits, and they're spending time and resources that could be spent on, for example, going after fraud and things like this new task force that has been established, things that the American people want by a large bipartisan majority.
Gene Hamilton, America First Legal President, thank you very much for joining us. I think you're doing great work, and we'll talk to you again soon, I hope. Thank you, Gene. Still ahead.
Thanks for having me.